really quickly, we talked about renaming the webhook as well as event. This is going to be a little bit tricky, but we're going to do it right now. So what I'm going to do is just search through my application case insensitive for event. This is going to be a mess because event is obviously a very common thing in JavaScript. But you can see here we've got about 49 results. And I'm going to start with going through all of the places that we see here. And there we go. That's what we've got to do. The good thing I know is that there is no concept of event other than what we're renaming to event type, so that makes it easy. I don't even have to really think about these so much. I just know that everything has to be updated. So here we go. And then for the migrations, we will go through and update all of this stuff, but I have to actually migrate the database backwards first. There we go. Now that we've done that, I can go through and oh, no, don't want to fix that one. Oh, and then there's a bunch of other auto-generated stuff that we're going to have to update. And I'm going to have to update the file names as well. All right, so there we go. We've updated all of those. Now we need to rename all of the files. So if you go through, thankfully for us, everything is, you can do find, grep, so I can just grab all of these, bringing them in here, and do what's the best way to do this? No, stop doing this. No, did I really just do that again? Come on. I just made Atom crash. All right, so the point being here, no, stop saving. All right, so I think that should do the trick. And then for sure we're going to run into issues, but I'm going to add, I'm going to, let's see here. So we've got all of that stuff in place, and now I need to rename all of the stuff, and this is going to be painful. Rename all of the webhook stuff to event. That actually wasn't as bad as I thought. Sorry to leave you hanging there for so long, but that wasn't as bad as I thought. What am I missing though? You know? Oh, team. I don't know. Is that it? So I have a couple of scratch pads with, if we go in and let's try RakeDB migrate. Forgot to rename these files. I'm so confused. Create webhook, outgoing webhooks. So this one should be event. Oh, so these all have to match up. Does it have to match up like... outgoing event. Let's try that. Outgoing webhooks. Webhook. Tragic. Let's get back here and then fix my typo. Oh, we're in a bad place now because I have to do this. Okay, good. And then let's see if this works. Okay, there it worked. So now we have none of these things in place. So glad I didn't write tests for any of that stuff, because what a nightmare it would have been to have to go and do all of that, before, change all of that stuff. But now I'm in this situation where it's like, okay, wait, how do I test this? So, we have a few scratch pads, but I don't need them. What I can do is say, we have our seeds. So, I am not going to deliver webhooks for a user, but team, API key, invitation, membership, all that stuff. Really good. So we've created all of these event types that are here. And so for thing.created, we're going to create that as our first event type. So we have thing.created. So here's our scratch pad. Does that work? Oh, whoops. Yep. And now we have a team. And the team All right, so we've got an endpoint. So this is how we do that now. Yep. So now this event type listens for thing.created. And then we're also going to have one that says receives all webhooks. So there's a new endpoint, and it has no filters. And then we're going to do on this team. You know what? Actually, I have another bug in here that I didn't think of. Oh, nope, I don't. It is filtering by team. Great. So team.things.create name deliver a webhook. Undefined method. Reload all this stuff. Ooh, uninitialized constant. Team webhooks outgoing event. All right, so where's that coming from? Ooh, interesting. Let's see if that'll do the trick. I'm not really sure what the error is here because there's no... Let's see the model. Oh, I never renamed this file. Oh, what a pain. Let's see here. All right, this is great. So we're just going through all these things until we find them all. Webhook outgoing delivery undefined method webhook in... I mean, it still doesn't tell you, like, where is this happening? Nope, wrong character encoding. There we go. There we go. And you can see that it has a delivery attempt with a refused connection. And there should be another one of those as well, which there is. So if we start the server, now when we do that again, or in fact, I just have to do this. That's the only one I need. And then when I do deliver a webhook, it will deliver them and there's no error. It is a response code. What does it say? Response body success, response code 200. So yeah, that's great. And it should have another one of those up here too. And it does. So that's really cool. That's that, I guess. The yeah, that's that. I'm going to go into another video just to do one last thing.